All right, good morning, everybody. I think today's going to end up being a really good day. Thursday's always one of my better days. Those joining us on YouTube and Facebook, thank you. We will broadcast here for the next hour. We will be looking at several things. We will be looking at the indices. We'll be looking at the E-mini S&P, mini Russell, mini Dow, and the mini NASDAQ. We're looking at gold. Let's see, we'll be looking at some silver. We'll be looking at some natural gas, some crude oil, maybe some Bitcoin. And then on the currencies, we'll be looking at the Aussie US, Euro US, and the US yen. The approach on the indices and commodities, we'll be using something that we call the Einstein formula. That provides us with an entry, exit, and reversal. And the way that works is basically I can put in a predetermined price move that I'm looking to trade. So for simplicity's sakes, let's just say that I'm looking for, let's say we're trading a stock, we're looking for a dollar move. I can put that into the formula and it will provide me with the entries and exits. In order for me to achieve a winning ratio of 70% and higher. And then on the currencies, we'll be using something called the core strategy. It's something that we teach as one of our packages. And basically, when we get into a trade, we hold those trades no more than 5 minutes. So right now, I'm just looking for some initial setups. Also, once again, if you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. That definitely is a big help to us. I'd appreciate it if you like my videos and like what we do in the morning. First hour is going to be free for everybody, so if you enjoy these videos, please give me a thumbs up so I know I need to go ahead and continue on with this. Also, make sure that you do subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can keep you updated on any new announcements or videos that are coming out. Also, for more information, always feel free to go to my YouTube channel, Binary Pro Strategies. Plenty of educational material out there. More information on how I trade. There's a little bit of information on Einstein. There's information on my core strategy, which is a big part of what we do. And you can always go to my website. We do have a free webinar going on right now. And we are offering a free gift at the end of the webinar if you stay to the end. So make sure you go to binaryprostrategies.com. Sign up for that free webinar. Good information. I think you're going to find some of the stuff that we do very enlightening. It's not publicly disclosed, and it's not something you're going to find in a book or on a YouTube. It's only here, something I developed over 30 years ago. And my approach is totally different than most, but it's very reliable. It is universal. I use patterns. These patterns are very universal, meaning I can trade it in any freely traded market, and they will work just as effectively in a currency as they do in a commodity or a stock or whatever you want to trade. So anyway, please check out that webinar. All right, so initial setups here, just looking to see what we have. Looks obviously after that big down day yesterday, would expect a lower opening this morning. These trades in the morning, keep in mind they can be a little volatile, particularly when we're getting close to the opening here. So you want to be careful, particularly on the indices. And if you have any questions along the way, just put them in the little chat window over there, and I'll get to them as soon as I possibly can. I am trying to keep track of 12 different markets here, so it can get a little, actually 16. So it can get a little bit hectic at times, but I'll do my best to answer everybody's question. If for some reason I don't get to it, just go to my website and you can get a hold of me there. And I do answer all my emails personally. Okay, get a buy on the natural gas. Buy on the natural gas right now. It's moving quickly. Just triggered buy. Let's get some numbers on this real quick. Okay, I have a target on this natural gas to hit a high of 81.95. 81.95. That's going to be our profit target. The entry on that is coming in at 81.45, and it's right there right now. It's at 81.44, so good entry. And if for some reason we don't hit target first, we need to reverse. I will reverse at 80.45. 80.45. Crude oil is also getting a buy right now. We're getting a buy on crude oil. Crude oil entries coming in at 104.25, and my projected target is going to be 104.65. $104.65. And reversal 103.45. 103.45. Okay, just long crude, long natural gas right now. Could get a potential buy on ES, watching ES for a possible entry. NQ just went long, so NQ is now on a buy. NQ, by the way, is going to be our mini NASDAQ. I'll go ahead and put those symbols up there for you. As you can see, NQ is going to be the mini NASDAQ. ES is going to be the S&P 500. S&P 500 just entered long, went long. So we have a buy on the ES, also have a buy on the mini NASDAQ. Okay, target on ES is going to bring us up to 38.97, 38.97.25, 38.97.25. And if we don't hit target first, profit target, we're going to go ahead and reverse at 38.74, 38.74.75. All right, so on the mini NASDAQ, also known as the US Tech, target on that is going to be, that's going to bring us up to 118.95, 118.95. And if we don't hit target for some reason, we're going to reverse at 117.82.5. RTY is now getting a buy too. I love RTY. RTY, which is your mini Russell's, getting a buy. Target on, let's see here. Also, YM is getting a buy. YM, which is your mini Dow. Mini Dow is moving pretty quick here. RTY is, let's get a target. RTY is going to be 1769. $17.69. If we need to reverse, $17.54. Profit target hit. All right, looks like crude oil hit target. Once again, the profit target on that RTY is going to be 1769, reversal 1754. On YM is also long. YM, once again, is your mini Dow. Target on that is going to be 312.13. Reversal, if we don't hit target first, is going to be 310.63. Okay, you've got a ES long, RTY long, YM long, NQ long. Be careful in here. It could get a little volatile this morning based on that close last night of the Dow. Crude hit target, still long natural gas. Looking for an 81.95 target on the gas. And if you're trading Bitcoin, Bitcoin is now on a buy. Target 325. 30.035. Reversal on Bitcoin is going to bring you down to 28,900. That would be your reverse short if we don't hit target. Okay, still long ES, RTY, YM. They're all long. NQ, which is your S&P 500, Russell, Mini Dow, and Mini Nasdaq. Out of crude with a profit, still long natural gas. Those trading Bitcoin is in a buy right now. Looking for a potential setup on the currencies. I don't see any pattern setting up yet, so we have to wait on that. Profit target hit. Profit target hit. Okay, hit target on natural gas. Still long the S&P, E-mini S&P, still long the mini Russell, still long the mini Dow and the mini NASDAQ. No setups on gold or silver, just got out of natural gas. So far we've had 2 trades this morning. Long a crude, exited that with a profit. Long a natural gas, exited that with a profit. And we've got several working right now. Once again, when you trade these indices, keep in mind you don't want to trade more than one of them. My favorites are going to be the ES and RTY. And if you want to stay away from some of this early morning volatility, which can be, it's a two-edged sword. It can be very, very good, and then sometimes it can be quite choppy. I would suggest you wait at least an hour, hour and a half after the opening bell before starting to trade one of the indices. Okay, we're getting down here. Less than 2 minutes to go here before the Dow opens up. Hey, good morning, Glenn. Love Thursdays. Thursdays always, Sundays and Thursdays, my 2 favorite days to trade. Sunday nights and Thursdays. Dow's opening up down 227, 293, 300. I think you're going to see a little rally in here. NQ getting closer to target, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ.
Profit target hit.
Okay, just hit target on your mini NASDAQ, which is your NQ. Still long YM, still long RTY, still long ES. Have a short at 13, 127.13 short on the US yen. It's going to be a core trade short on the US yen. ES approaching target. Target on ES is going to be 38.9725. Still long ES, RTY, and YM, which is your mini Dow, Russell, and S&P 500.
Profit target hit.
Okay, S&P 500 just hit its target. RTY getting close to target.
Profit target hit.
Profit target hit on RTY, exiting RTY. Still long YM. YM approaching target.
Profit target hit.
YM just hit target. One thing we have on right now is going to be Bitcoin and short the US yen. Yen's getting pulled up by this higher, this run up here on the indices. Dow's down 192 after being down a little bit over 300. Minute to go in the yen. Yen's going to expire. That's going to be a loss on that US yen. Had a real strong move up. That ES pulled it right up. Those indices, watch that yen. That yen will track the indices a lot. So watch that. All right, still on Bitcoin. That's it right now. Waiting to see if we can get some, get a trade here. Possible short coming up on gold. Keeping an eye on the gold here. Gold also one of my favorites. I want to enter gold if we hit 1832. Watching gold for a possible short. Once again, 1832. I want to be in it. I want to enter 1832. I'll put a little yellow line there. If I can get a yellow line in there. Okay, gold now going short. So just went short. Target on gold is going to bring me down to 1828. Reversal on gold is going to bring me up to 1840. Okay, just short gold right now, long Bitcoin. Target on gold, 1828. Okay, getting a short now. Let's see here. I think we got a potential short coming in here. Let's see what I have here. No, not yet. Yes, we're getting a short on YM. Getting a short on YM, which is a mini down. I'll give you a target on that. That short's coming in at 312.13. It's going to be a target of 311.63. And if we don't hit target first, we're going to reverse at 313.13. ES just went short, going short ES 500.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on YM. YM already hit target, which is your mini down. S&P 500 is now short. Target's going to be 38.97. 38.97. And if we don't hit that target on the ES, it's going to be a reversal of 1975.
Profit target hit.
ES already hit target, so out of ES. NQ's going short, which can be your US Tech, mini NASDAQ. Okay, that short came in at 118.95. Target on that mini NASDAQ is going to bring us down to 118.57 and a half. 118.57 and a half. Reversal on that's going to bring us up to 119.70, 119.70. Watching RTY for a potential short coming in on RTY. Okay, if we slow down a little bit, we can look at some stocks. Anybody want me to look at some of their favorite stocks? I'd be glad to do that for you. Also, those on YouTube or Facebook, if you have any favorite stocks, just put them in here. Put them in the comments. I'll run a quick scan and see if I see anything for your favorite stock. So RTY is going short. US small cap going short. Already hit target on NQ, so NQ hit target. RTY still short. Okay, so the target on RTY is going to bring us down to 1764, 1764. Reversal is going to be 1779, 1779. RTY approaching target. Dow's down 415, 416.
Profit target hit.
Just hit target on RTY, exiting RTY. Wow, it's been a good morning. Love Thursdays, guys. Love those Thursdays. All right, only thing right now is short gold. Still short gold, target 1828. Bitcoin still long. Okay, how's everybody doing this morning so far? Get some feedback. How's everybody doing? Everybody should be green, I would think, at this point. Okay, so the pattern that we're setting up, well, the pattern that we're in right now in gold is just going to be your basic pairing pattern, but we are setting up for an HF1. I do like HF1s. They tend to be stronger than the pairing pattern, so if we do reverse, I'd like to buy on the gold. But right now we are short. Still, the success rate on this particular pattern, the pairing pattern, is still 72%. Once again, if you're following us on YouTube and Facebook, don't attempt to make these trades. Once again, this is for demonstrational purposes only. I'm just trying to demonstrate how you can trade without indicators. These are all based on behavioral patterns and price action, but I look at price action differently than most. And I use what I call behavioral patterns, which are universal, meaning I can use them with any instrument I want to trade, any market. Getting by on the 23, 127.23 on the 127.23, got it moving fast on the yen. Still in the 70s, 127.23 long US yen. Open slightly above 23, good premium on that. Be careful on the currencies this morning. They are a little volatile in here. Once again, that's going to be affected. The yen will be affected by what the what's going on these indices. So keep that in mind. Be careful. All right. So nothing new. Already out of all the shorts on the ESRTY, YM, and NQ. Oh, natural gas is getting a short. So getting a short now on natural gas. Another one of my favorites. Short on natural gas is coming in right here. I want to sell it anything above 822, 822, sitting at 823. Target on that natural gas is going to bring me down to 819, 819. Once again, I can put in any kind of price move that I want to project. I try to keep them fairly tight so you guys have some action. I can go out longer. It just takes usually longer to sell on a trade, which I don't like to do. But any value will work with this formula. All right, so 819 short natural gas. Looking to, if we don't hit our target first, we will reverse at 828. 828. Watching gold, possible reversal coming up on gold. Still short natural gas, short gold. Gold will reverse at 1840. It sure looks like that gold wants to reverse. It's getting close. We're sitting at 38.9, 39 right now. 40 is going to be our reversal on the gold. We'll reverse go long. Once again, that would set us up with an HF1. Those familiar with HF1 patterns know they're strong. I do like that if it happens. Right now I'm sitting on a short gold, short natural gas. All right, let's take a look at our overnight trades. Let's see what we had on overnight. Once again, these are trades we put on every night. They do go out to all our members. We put them on at night. We let them hold. We hold them and let them expire the following day. Or you can scalp if you like to do that. Coming in short gold. Coming in short the U.S. yen. Coming in short the U.S. 500. Coming in short the U.S. Tech and the Wall Street 30. Everything is green right now except that gold. Gold short. So I came in pretty much gold across the board here. Short all the indices. So we'll see if that gold wants to turn around later on in the day and get a screen. Okay, long ES. ES just went long. RTY just went long. NQ just went long. I try to get these out as fast as I possibly can. I'll start with the RTY. RTY target is going to bring us up to 1774. Reversal on that if we don't hit our target. Bring us down to 1759. ES, forget it, already hit target, so those watching ES, and you had to catch that on your own and get out. NQ is already in a buy, and that's getting ready to hit targets, but let's see if I can give you a quick target on NQ. Target on NQ is going to bring you up to 118.32.5. Reversal, if NQ doesn't hit target, it's going to be 118.20. It's a reversal. So ES already hit target, long on RTY, nothing on YM, long NQ. Gold's holding in there, gold's still short. Natural gas still short, holding in there. Crude getting ready for a potential short coming up. Bitcoin still long for those that trade Bitcoin. All right, we're getting close to the top of the hour here. Still have a few minutes. Those on YouTube and Facebook. Once again, thank you for joining me this morning. Please join me every morning. First hour is always free. We will start to add some stocks in here. So if you're a stock trader, we will start to be looking at some stocks as well. We'll show that these methods work across the board. And so I'd like to get a little bit more of the stock trading community active with this, because I think it's a whole new approach to trading, something you've never seen before. And once again, if you do like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. It does help when I'm broadcasting on YouTube. And make sure you hit the notification bell. And don't forget about that free webinar on my website, binaryprostrategies.com, free to you. There's a free gift at the very end, so if you stay to the end, there is a free gift to you. All right, just still short gold. RTY is still long. NQ is still long. Dow's down 420. Okay, well, here we are at 9 o'clock, so at the top of the hour, so we're going to go ahead and end the free first hour of the live broadcast. All members, please, that are in the live trading room, stay with us. We'll continue on. Everybody else, you have a great trading day, and hopefully we'll see you first thing in the morning. Y'all take care.